Okay, so what you do is you go to GitHub and to our repository for the project, and it is the somewhere on here, writing tracker, and you say download or clone, and you copy this link, and you go to Git, and you go to your command prompt, your terminal, and you change directory until you, like right now I'm in my users directory, so I want to go to my desktop so that the file's somewhere I can find it. And then I say git clone and then paste that link, and then GitHub will download it to our directory. So now that is on my desktop writing tracker, and so you can like do your edits here. When you first clone it, it'll obviously copy all the files directly, but anytime afterwards, before you like make changes to this, you want to say git pull, and what this will do is grab any of the we're not in the directory. Change directory into the writing tracker itself, and then now you're actually in the directory. And then you can say git pull, and what git pull will do is check if I've made any changes to the writing tracker, and it'll pull them into your local changes so that we're like up to date on the same things. So once you've made a change, like if you add something, if you add I don't know, if you go into index, I just launched it. 1 second. I have no app to, are you kidding me? Here, okay, fine. If you go into Notepad and do your editing in Notepad, because apparently I don't have anything installed on this computer to edit code in, and you make like some change and save it, then the way you add those changes to our project's Git repository, so we've made a change, so what we do is say git add star, and so that'll add any new changes. And you say git status, you can see what is added. So index is added because I made a change to index. And if I say git push or git commit -m and then add whatever I changed, example change. So the message, so git commit -m message is whatever you changed. It might make you do this, where you just have to put in your username. I don't think it made you do this. I think you already did this part and it didn't make you do this. So for me, it's, okay, just a minute. Okay, so if it asks you for those, just put them in. Then it should actually let me git commit. So git commit -m, then and then in the message in parentheses, then what the changes you made, and then it'll say it made 1 insertion and 1 deletion. And so now these are committed to your local machine, but we want to upload them to our GitHub place, so that I also have access to them. So the way you do that is you say git push -u origin, I can spell origin master, and it'll ask you to log in. Maybe, sometimes it doesn't. And then once you log in, it will upload to the directory, to the remote directory, and then eventually, okay, and then it'll say changes set to master, and my roommates can't shut up. So this will update the remote directory, and now your changes are uploaded to the remote directory, and you can test that. If you go to the remote directory and I hit like refresh, you'll see that there we go, index.html made a change a minute ago, example change. There we go. So now I have access to your files, and when I go back to edit them, I will say git pull, and I'll get your updates and so on and so forth. Hopefully that helps.